Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to pin a comment on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel and you have got a wonderful comment or maybe an informative one and you want to pin it, so I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to open a browser and then you have to go to the YouTube. Once you're there, you have to click on your videos, and after that, whether it's a short or a full length video, you have to simply access it and just simply open it on YouTube. Once that video or short is there, you have to simply click onto the comment option and find the comment that you want to pin. You will see the three dots on that comment, and then you will see the pin option. Click onto it and then click onto this pin option, and that's how that comment will get pinned on YouTube. So that's how you will be able to pin a comment on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.